How to get a refund from Ryanair. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund from Ryanair. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Ryanair, it is an Irish ultra-low-cost airline headquartered in Swords, Dublin, and is recognized as Europe's largest low-cost carrier. And Ryanair's business model focuses on offering the lowest possible fares by minimizing operational costs, which has made it a formidable competitor against traditional airlines. And the airline's strategy includes a flat management structure for efficiency, short turnaround times for aircraft, and no-frills service approach that generates additional revenue through various fees. However, at this point, we're not here to book a flight on Ryanair, but rather we're here to process a refund after you book a flight on Ryanair. So basically, to obtain a refund from Ryanair, it is essential to understand the airline's policies regarding cancellations and refunds. And you can do so by simply going to Google and kindly search for Ryanair refund policy, and it will show in here the results below. So kindly click on the first link that come up, this refund policy, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and it will show you that Ryanair tickets are generally non-refundable. If your flight operated and you didn't travel, you are not entitled to refund. And it says here that you may have a valid reasons for deciding not to travel, but their business model is simple, in which they don't offer refunds to people who don't travel because the seat that you book is operated empty in your absence. However, as you can see in this next paragraph, it says here that in rare instances where Ryanair has cancelled your flight, failed to operate the flight reasonably according to schedule, or you were denied boarding, you may be entitled to a refund in accordance with applicable passenger rights regulations. So basically, here are some of the reasons in which you are eligible to get a refund. And it says here that you may also be entitled to a refund if an immediate family member who is not traveling with you dies within 28 days of your booked flight, or if someone on your booking passes away before your trip. Now if you go back to these general refunds in here, it will show us below some other options, including this when am I entitled to a refund, and right here it will show you some of the eligible reason for a refund of your ticket under this kind of circumstances, such as if your flight has been cancelled, if you have experienced a flight delay or over 5 hours, and all of this kind of reason will make you eligible for a refund. And aside from that, below here it will show you on how you can apply a refund in case of flight disruption. And it says here that you also need to request a refund, in which you will receive an email from their customer service confirming your flight cancellation or delay. So basically, you can simply request a refund using their email that has been sent to you, indicating that you also have a cancellation or delay on your flight. Or you could also access the booking through your My Booking section on your Ryanair account. So basically, as I said earlier, generally, Ryanair tickets are non-refundable unless the airline cancels your flights or fails to operate it as scheduled. So if your flight is cancelled, you will be notified via text or email and can then claim a refund by following specific steps outlined in the notification. And it says here below you could also download or complete and submit the customer verification form in here by clicking this here hyperlink text in here. You will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you the form. And from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information in here, such as the manual verification form for refunds only. So just enter here your travel details, your booking reference, a copy of your ID and signature, passport or driving license, and many more. And from here, it will show you that you also need the customer verification form that you could even download on this page and start filling out the required information that you need to fill out in here, such as your signature, printed name, date, and many more. So basically, all of these are requirements in order to get a refund on Ryanair. So make sure that you fill out all of this required information in order to get the refund that you're looking for. Now going back in here, it says here that you also need the proof of bank details showing IBAN or BIC for validation purposes. And you also need the original booking confirmation from the online travel agency. So again, just fill out all of this required information, such as the travel details, customer details, and many more, in order to get your refund. And after that, just proceed by simply clicking the validate button below here. Then they will send you an email that indicates that you can get your refunds on your account. On the other hand, if you have other concern or question, you can simply go to this frequently asked question in here, in which it will show you a variety of questions, and by clicking on each question in here, it will show you the corresponding answer, including this question: why is my refund amount different to what I paid? And it will show you the answer in here. Moving on below here, it will show you a question: how long will it take for my refund to be paid? And it says here that you will receive the amount on your Ryanair wallet within 24 hours once you request a refund on this Ryanair platform. But again, you need to fill out all of the required information and submit the form in order for Ryanair to process the refund that you just submitted. So basically from here on your Ryanair account, if you're already signed in here, just click on your bookings or on your top right corner. By clicking this option or your profile icon, it will show in here a variety of options, so just click this manage bookings. Then you will be able to see here all of your bookings that you can simply get a refund depending on the circumstances or on the situation that are given or eligible for you to get a refund. But as you can see in here, at this point I have no kind of bookings that I have done on Ryanair, so I'm not be able to get a refund. But once you have a booking in here and you want to get a refund after a cancellation flight by Ryanair, when you submit your refund application or request, the money will be automatically directed on your wallet account within 24 hours after you send a refund. But again, you also need to make sure that your reason is valid to be eligible to get the refund, such as if your flight is cancelled by Ryanair or delayed or fails to operate as it's scheduled. So basically the money, all the refund amount will be directed on your Ryanair wallet in here. However, if you did not travel because your flight operated as scheduled, you are not entitled to a refund. However, in cases of serious illness or bereavement affecting immediate family members, you may be eligible for a refund if you provide appropriate documentation. And after you request a refund with a valid reason, again, it will automatically be directed in your Ryanair wallet after you request the refund. Now moving on, aside from that, on the top right corner, by clicking your profile icon again, it will show you again a variety of options that you can start navigating, but by clicking this request option, you will be directed on this page in which you can request this bereavement claim in order to get a refund. Well, below here under top articles, it will show you under this refund policy and other articles in here that will help you to start requesting a refund on Ryanair in here. So basically, to claim a refund, you can do online through your bookings section on the Ryanair website or via link provided in the cancellation email. And again, refunds are for eligible claims are typically processed within 24 hours and credited to your Ryanair wallet, from where you can withdraw them back to your original payment method within 5 working days. And also moving on, as I said earlier about the bereavement application to get a refund, to apply in here, just click this here hyperlink text in here button in order to proceed, in which it is only applicable in cases where you have suffered the death of someone on your booking or of a family member who is not traveling with you. So again, by simply clicking this here hyperlink text, you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do from here is to simply fill out all of the required information under this refund application form, such as a reason for your refund request, your flight reservation number, affected flight number, date of disrupted flight, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can get a refund from Ryanair. Thank you.